A very good evening to everyone. As you all know, we are gathered here to give farewell to our great legendary Janardhan sir. So I request Adarsh sir to welcome Janardhan sir with the bouquet. I request Vikas sir to welcome back. As you all know that maybe you don't know about it or not. So gave service of 39 years to Camberway. So I request Adarsh sir to say few words before we start other things.
I think normally starts with right?
Just we want to initiate.
So anyway, I'll initiate actually. So for anybody who is, I think how many years? 39 years actually. So our dearest colleague Janardhan sir and our family members, madam and all other family members and my colleagues. So for anybody who is 39 years when you are working in an organization, like let her talk, no problem. Please have the first right to talk today. The fact of the matter is actually like we are working for family and we have to spend more time with family. But the fact of the matter is when you are working in an organization, 90% of the time you are spending in office and actually 10% you are spending with family. That is the reality actually, right? So it is not lesser than a family. The office atmosphere also not lesser than family. And I have seen here the people like in the previous year also. Now I came just 1 month back here, but previously I was working for some time here, and that time also I was inside. See, like an elderly father or elderly brother, he is a father figure for a lot of people here. Maybe a elder brother figure for a lot of people here. Depends upon the age group. So I have seen the affection and the love which is pouring upon him by others, and how he is having his command in his area, how he is managing it very well. Somebody was telling me how that particular section now how we have to handle, we have to identify a suitable person, because that was a very neat and clean, because keeping that accounting properly and satisfying the people also I understand is difficult. So he is maintaining it very well, and especially I have seen over the last couple of days or last 1 week, the people who are showing the affection and love towards him. I have seen from other wings people are coming and meeting him. So that kind of show actually the kind of relationship and beyond the office atmosphere, you kept that warmth with other people. So that is really commendable. So that is just an initiation for this meeting. So I feel actually, rather than me, the people who worked with him to talk, right? So I keep the forum open. So you please start. I think you can request the others to talk. So let them have their.
Janardhan sir, family members, dear colleagues. 2 years I'm working with him. He is very calm, very cool, and very perfect, as sir told. Very neatly and cleanly is working. And whatever it is there, that is need not to tell anything. That will be complete, and then will come to anyone. So that is there. And sir was taking care of one more thing. He was taking care of that candle course who has not completed. But also he was taking care and was motivating. He is also doing his, and he was helping to other. Helping means you are telling that this circular you read, then we will get like that. So that much interest he was having. And one more thing I observed here, till now he has taken very less leave. So that is also there, even though he was going to retire. Also, he was used to come and work. And, leave when he has taken very less. I think he will be expired definitely. So that much affection he was having here in the bank. So great stuff. These things we have worked together and seen so many things. How we have handled and helped your colleague. How we have help to not only for banking this personal career also, like CLBIB or candle course promotion also. So that is good experience. Definitely I will miss. I will. I am praying you for your family, retirement life, and your family life also. Thank you.
Janardhan sir, really as Rajesh has told, Janardhan sir put 39 years of service having a vast banking knowledge, not only banking knowledge. Whatever he was working now, we used to go on any establishment doubts, whatever it is, we used to ask him. That even the settlement and all we used to discuss only with him. He has a finger, a tips of knowledge even in the diamond benefits or whatever areas you are going to get and this tax. That much knowledge what he is having is really a fantastic one. And one more thing, he was handling that not only paid Upas and all, he was meticulously he was following with people and got it done, and he was any issues we faced, he come and help us. Even with the whole wing, he used to follow and get, and he is instrumental for a timely submission of Upas and the candle courses. Not only that, every time when we forgot also to put up our these allowances, whatever it is, you call and he will tell whether you shortly claimed or not claimed, like that. That much affection he was having with all of them. He will ensure that. Really, we enjoyed your working with you, sir. That bus stand will miss you, sir. Really. Always after lunch, he will go and sit there. We used to go and used to see that Sal will very quietly he will sit and watch. That we will 100% that will bus stand will miss you. I wish you all the best for your happy and God is very good thank you.
And it's the beginning of another different dimension. And mostly it will be a very, very wonderful dimension for the self and the family. How we are taking it, that way only it will differ. And I pray the Almighty God to sharpen all the requirements for him, and he must be very, very happy and cheerful in his life along with his family and other the second dimension. So with this wishes, I wish to take his blessings as a senior citizen. That we must be living very long life. With all that. Thank you.
Initial page itself, he used to guide me how to do, what to do, and all those things, even for candidate courses and all. So he is always approachable whenever I go. He used to support me. And other than the work profile and all, he is very nice gentleman. He is very are having a problem, if same kind of issues I am going to the multiple times, very calmly sir used to reply to us and explain to us. So thus thank you for support this one sir, and I am wishing you a very wonderful retirement filled with the good health, relaxation and fun. Thank you sir.
That you can just sit, relax, and spend some time with your family members. They also will be happy, like finding some more time from you. As sir has already told, when you are working in the bank, you may not be able to give that much time. But of course, now your family members will be benefited with that, and you can also spend your time, relax, and just plan in the next coming days what you are going to do. So my best wishes, all the best to you, and for your happy and peaceful retirement. Thank you.
Numbers and anything regarding HR, he'll get to know. If he's not knowing, he'll get to know to you, and he'll bring it to you, and he will clarify, and he will discuss with you that what things can be modified and give enhancement to it. So I have tortured him like hell. I have gone through many problems, and I used to go to him and ask him many things. Sir is really very calm person. Sir doesn't speak much, but when he speaks logical, very knowledgeable. And Janardhan has a quality, means if he is bringing something now, he'll ensure that it should be reached to each and every person of his way. Small food, prasad, even it is a namkeen, it will be reaching to everyone. Means he ensures that his people should be having whatever he has to preserve. Even when we are doing capital courses, he ensures that all of us should complete it. Either he will complete on behalf of us, or we will complete. So we take care of that. I 39 years, we can't believe that 39 years, and I am not that age. 39 years is a very, very big experience, sir. Sir was saying that he has already planned everything, sir. Planned and told us that this is there, you do this for me. So everything is planned, I know, and he's very well planned, disciplined person. He comes, he reaches, if he has come, I feel like that मैं time पे आ गई हूँ. And if he is there and I am coming along with him, that means he comes on time, he's bang on work, his work is, Yudun was telling me yesterday that he works very precisely. He sees small things, his work is very clean. Sir, I believe there is no, this retirement and all doesn't work like that. It is a second inning of yours, and I know you are going to rock it as you were rocking in your first inning. All the best, sir. I'll keep disturbing you. We all will keep disturbing you. All the best, sir, and best wishes from me and the whole group. All the best.
Namaste to everyone. Right now, really not sure what's the feeling right now. I'm not sure how my father is also feeling. But,
looking at the retirement and the slides that I saw just now and the way you spoke, I really think that whatever he was applying, studying at home, he was really applying it here as well. And I could see that it was helping a lot of many members. So what I remember from my younger days was that he used to bring in big books to my home. I never thought that once you start working, you will study, right? So, and still my father continued to study once he started to work also. So I remember when I was maybe second grade or third grade, where he used to write exams. That is when I was surprised that, okay, even after you join to work, you will still have to continue to learn and write exams and upgrade yourself. So what I like about my father's working life was that he was ready to adapt to any new technologies, any newer methods that he wanted to apply and dedicate himself to work. So, and that is some qualities that I also have tried to inculcate in my current work life. Right? And personally, when we see, as sir told, that 90% of the time you are dedicated to office, 10% of the time you are dedicated to home. But I believe that the 10% that he was giving us was also good enough for us to ensure that, okay, he was our. So that is what has been good, that he was able to balance the work and family life. And that is something that even I have tried now with my daughter, with my family, that okay, I have to give some time to my family as well. That is the quality that I want to give to my daughter as well. So thank you, Appa. Thank you for this journey till date. I hope that the retirement will be much more fun for you with the granddaughter coming, and you will be able to spend more time with our family as well. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you want to say something?
Yeah, sure. I joined in 1895 while I am studying in final year BSc. In April exam was there. February 25th I got an order, you have to join March 3rd. Only 1 week time. I don't know what to do. Then I asked so many professors, lecturers, and everyone told in this stage it is very difficult to get a job. Even if you complete BE also, don't waste time. Go immediately join. After that you complete your exams. So I joined in April. I completed my degree also. From that day, I started in Syndicate Bank. From that I never thought of going to any other writing exams. Only inside only I try to provide. In 1985 I joined as a clerk. After that, in 15 years, there is no 10 years. There is no promotion at all in our
85.
Yeah, 85 to 96, 97. There is no promotion at all. Full stagnation. No promotions, no anything from scale 1 to 7 also full stagnation. After 97, I again started exams. Only got them. In 2000, I got my first promotion and posted as an assistant manager in Andhra Pradesh, GT Bank. I am basically advanced man. I want to look out only advances. I am very happy because rural people, agriculture is everything. They used to come for crop loans, so many things. So I am enjoying my working there also. After that, I posted as a branch manager in Madikeri, Coorg district. I working there 2 years. In 2006, when I joined, there is no this computerized, fully manual, only manual system. You have to do everything in ledgers. No one knows what because here everyone is doing. Everything is doing system. We are only monitoring. Here we have to do manual. So that will give us how to do, what to do, where we are going wrong. Everything will come to know. Here now, because everything system we are doing, no one knows where what is doing, what are wrong. And then when I joined branch manager in Chakra, only manual only. After that, the ALPM started. In Butti also, I converted all deposits to ALPM. Systems I converted to ALPM. Started ALPM doing it. In 2000 again, 6, I got an opportunity to work as an IT officer. At I am only BSc graduate. They have called for an exam for IT models. Look after conversions. He started 2003 or CBS started in
BSc what was that subject?
physics, mathematics, statistics. Physics, mathematics, statistics. But I have gone through that IT exam and I have cleared it. I don't know how I have cleared. I have cleared that exam. I got as an IT nodal officer. I worked in Chikmagalur looking after 15 branches. Here I converted all APM to CBS. After that I got into Ballari as a branch. IT nodal, not IT nodal, IT officer. There are 74 points coming under 3-4 districts. There I also only now everything is centralized servers. There branch servers only. Branch servers. Any problem is there, we have to go there, branch server, we have to contact DAT, taking that. I have done a lot of work there also. But I enjoyed my work as a IT, as a branch manager or as a clerk. Everything I enjoyed and worked there. And after that I came to DAT here. Because I have asked a request to my children because my wife is not interested to big cities. She was very interested in small cities only because she can go. But my friend was there, he has posted me to DAT. 2014, I came here and I adapted to here new. Here I am looking after DAT, entire IT systems, IT hardware, IT maintenance, along with administrator of entire 180 offices. I used to do. And auditing works, fully centralized, central statutory work. I look after for 7 years, from 2014 to 2020. Almost I look after auditing. So I got so lot of knowledge. I have lot, and I have to my satisfaction I have dedicated my entire this. And as you told, my entire life, we are completed 50 years of 40 years of service. Around 20 years I have spent for bank only. Remaining small portion only I have spent. In that period only I try to give my children a small little what I can do. I used to go at 8 o'clock. I used to give it only basic up to 10th standard only. I asked them to study. In sitting with them, I used to do. After that, they have taken care. Since then, I have not what you are doing, what you have to go, where you have to go. I never asked. They themselves have developed their skills and joined. My son studied computer science in Harvey Engineering College. That person has completed business management in BCom.
His name is
Madhusudan
and
Raghunath. He has completed in Christ University. This is my journey. I have tried to give best effort to do this, and I thank bank for giving me this 13 years working, and this giving a service. By giving us a service, I can look after my family. If they don't give or anything, how we can look after? For them, we are doing work, but yeah, bank has given a full satisfied amount. I thank the bank and this thing, my entire life journey, my family has also, wherever I travel, they have come with me. They have never left. I will be, in these days, everyone will say, we only want these cities. My wife never said, no, I will come with you. My children also came with wherever they have studied in rural only. After that, second PhD only, I posted in Bangalore and degree only. They have, I thank for them, this supporting me in my entire life. Here, after coming here, I am looking for administration here. But here, much work was not there to my capacity. Very little. I am monitoring, but because I am not technically certified, my field is this vendor management or like that, advanced side. But here, work is entirely culture. Here, application program. So I am looking after that. I try to read circulars, read candle courses, everything I read. I support whatever I can do. I have given this. Now my request is you continue with it. Now here what happened, when you are doing candle courses, that is for our personal benefit. Why they have given candle courses? Not for others. You read and do. That is for our benefit. We have to utilize that opportunity. That is my circulars. No one is getting time. But we have to make time within span, whatever that was, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Give a glance at circulars. Don't read full. At least you can give circulars. And property statement, submission of property statement is a very important. But no one, until we remain, they will submit. It is a Officer Regulation Act. It is a violation if you don't submit after 30 years. We have given an opportunity to give us the letter like this. Why we have to give that? Nothing will be there. What we will have a problem. Just on 10 days we can submit. But many people are there, they will submit at last moment until we remain during it. And because no pressure like that. Because this is officer regulation. June is the last date, but here they have made 30th for April. 30th June is the last date. But here 30th April made them, no. Otherwise they will everyone will make violation. That's why they have. Otherwise no one will do that. Only advise and properly do daily biometric attendance. Without that is our base. Because biometric attendance is our and punctuality. That okay, here it is very difficult because everyone is leaving late night. We cannot, at least 50% we can ensure that everyone. And this PO, whatever we are giving service, it is going to end is customers, branch customers and branch staff. Whatever we are doing, it should reach the customers only, not otherwise what is the purpose, you know. So branches are facing a lot of problems. Right? We have to ensure that branches are not facing, because I have seen branch man, even the computers, you know, even small, they can handle, but they will feel that something is, if we touch anything, something happen like that, they are having a fear in their mind. That we have to remove. Then and whatever we are doing, it should reach the branches and branches invest in customers. That is my. I thank you for giving an opportunity to do this.
Sridevi madam and Sarika ma'am to felicitate Abu madam. This is milestone award.
Okay.
Milestone award from Canara Bank for completing 30 years. This is the memento presented by HR today. So a basket of
They will take. You will take.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.